We have not done a campground cooking video in a while, so it's time to do one. And if you are a long-term viewer of my channel, you know that we try to make meals that are easy to prepare and don't require to refrigerate a lot of stuff. And this is one such meal. Now, the only thing that needs refrigeration really is the mozzarella cheese. And we could substitute that actually for some Parmesan cheese that is either in a block that you have to shred yourself or you can buy in a jar. However, we had enough room in the RV in the fridge that we're going to use regular mozzarella. And the other ingredients are pepperoni, marinara sauce, chicken breast in a can, and of course you could also buy the stuff that's refrigerated, and some diced tomatoes and some rotini. We're going to bake it in a small Lodge Dutch oven. You could do this on a campfire or in the RV oven. Now, many of you know that RV ovens are not very good as far as the heat distribution. This takes care of that problem. The advantage of cast iron is even heat, and even though the oven itself has a hot spot, the cast iron will take care of that and will give us even heat across the entire dish. Let's take and boil some water and get the rotini on. So we have the rotini in the crock pot. Now we're going to put in our diced tomatoes. And normally I would not drain these if I were making, say, a chili. But since we're using a marinara sauce, and marinara sauces are usually a little bit thinner than regular spaghetti sauce, then we want to drain it. And the next step, of course, then is the marinara sauce. Maybe half a jar. Did I say this is simple? About 1/3 of the bag. And then, let's just put the whole bag in. It's only 8 ounces anyway, so that's not bad. And I like to use this M-salt, which is a combination of salt, pepper, and garlic. SPG for short. And then a little mozzarella cheese. It's about half a bag of 8 ounce, so it's about 4 ounces of cheese. And I've preheated the oven, so in it will go. And we baked this for about 35 minutes at 375. It looks pretty inviting to me. And since we like to name all of our recipes that we make, we're going to call this Porcupine Mountain Pasta Bake. And I'll put a link up here for the website where you can get the recipe. But this is incredibly simple, pretty self-explanatory as far as the ingredients go. This video is approved by Leo. Visit rv-project.com.